do. Riders, make sure if you have hats, glasses, or bottles, they go off to the side and not on the train with you. Please come through those gates quickly. Push up on the restraints. Push them up, push them up. Gates are closing. On clear means you're on here on the L Toro region. Go enjoy that drama.
Woohoo! All right.
Llena de miedo. Adelante y es peor. ¡Ay, sí! ¡Ay, no!
Advance. Hop back riders, hop that ride! Yeah, I said that like this. Once the train fully stops, you can push up on those restraints and exit to your left. That's my side. Please exit to your left towards the back of the station. Go check out and do something.